Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to have some great fun with a song from the late 70s called Escape, the Pina Colada Song. It was originally written and performed by Rupert Holmes. His version peaked at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1979. But the true inspiration for today's guitar tutorial and cover comes to you from Jack Johnson. His version has this great kind of island feel. It reminds me of sitting on the beach, of course, drinking a pina colada. The best part is that his version only has 2 chords in it. It's very, very easy to play and a lot of fun. Before we get started though, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. What we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. And as always, I'm going to use this great Brazilian backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song from the 70s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Alright, in order to get all the way through the acoustic lounge version of Escape, the Pina Colada Song, you're going to need to know 2 of the easiest chords on the guitar. The first one is a D. And you're going to need to know an A chord. That's it. Those 2 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
My lady, been together so long, like a worn-out recording of a favorite song. So I lay there sleeping, read the paper in bed. In the personal columns was this letter I read. You like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. You're not into yoga, have half a brain. You like making love at midnight in the dunes on the Cape. Not the love that you're looking for, write me to escape. I didn't think about my lady. No, that sounds kinda mean. Me and my old lady falling into a routine. So I wrote to the paper, took out a personal map. No, I'm nobody's poet, thought it wasn't half bad. Yes, I like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. I'm not much into health food, am into champagne. Gotta meet you by tomorrow noon, cut through all this red tape at a bar called O'Malley's, where we can plan our escape. I waited with high hopes. She walked into the place. I knew her smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her face. It was my own lovely lady. She said, oh, it's you. And then we laughed for a moment. I said I never knew that you love Pina Colada, getting caught in the rain, and the feel of the ocean, taste of champagne. You like making love at midnight in the dunes on the Cape. You're the lady I'm looking for. Come with me to escape. You're the lady I'm looking for. Come with me to escape. You're the lady I'm looking for. Come with me to escape.
There you go, the Pina Colada Song. So fun to play. It's so easy. With that said, let's have a closer look. We're going to go quickly through this. The verses and the choruses are exactly the same, so that makes it really, really easy. The only real variation that I do here is that I add a little lead solo in the middle of the song to kind of break it up a little bit. And I do a little variation between the D and the D sus2 and an A and an A sus2. I kind of go back and forth between them. Something kind of like this on the D. So it's... and then to the A. Kind of thing. So you can add that in there if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. The song plays just as well by strumming the D chord and the A chord only. So with that said, let's get to the verses and the choruses. We're going to combine them, and then before the end of the video, I'll show you how I played that that little solo. Although, hey, do what you want. Add a little liberty here and there. Play whatever kind of solo you want in this song. There's certainly no rules. Let's have a closer look. The song again starts on the D chord. Here we go. You know I love my lady. We've been together so long, but like a worn-out recording of a favorite song. So while she lay there sleeping, I read the paper in bed, and in the personal columns was this letter I read. If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight on the dunes on the Cape, you're looking for, write me to escape. And that's it. So simple. And that simply repeats over and over again all the way through the song, with the exception of the little solo that I throw in. And again, you can choose to do it or not. It doesn't make a big difference. I think it kind of breaks up the song a little bit, adds a little something. Let's have a closer look now at that solo. Okay. A little solo. I believe that this kind of breaks up the two chords song and adds a little flavor to it. You can add your own solo or not. It's completely up to you. This is just something that I just worked on, and it seems to work for my version. With that said, I'll show it to you again. Use it, copy it, don't use it, make up your own. There are no rules in guitar. Here we go. I basically start on the second fret of the third string. Then to the open second string. Third fret of the second string. Open high E. Then to the fifth fret. Down to the third, down to the second, and back again to the third fret, second string, and then back to where we started, which is the third string of the second fret. So I'll play it slowly so you can catch on. So again, it's it's hard to play slow, as all solos are, If you have to, watch this part of the video several times. I know you'll get her down. So there you have it. Escape the Pina Colada Song. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.